Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix SHEIN checkout not working. So if you're currently having problems that the checkout is not working on SHEIN and you want to be able to try to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly closed the SHEIN app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then what I did in here is that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I just clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this as well. Scroll down a little bit in here and click on storage in here. And just wait a couple of seconds for this page to load. And now when it's done, just swipe up like this until you can see, as you can see, there's like a search bar up top. So just click on the search bar, search for SHEIN in here and click on the SHEIN app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here and then click on the reinstall app button here as you can see, and just simply now wait for your SHEIN app to completely update to its latest version. This might sometimes take a couple of minutes, just so you know. So I did this and then went back into my SHEIN app, and with the new update it actually fixed it for me. But if it still is not working for you, then it might be a payment issue itself. So the other reason it can be that, for example, you don't have enough money on your account to be able to actually fulfill this purchase as an example, or if that is not the issue, then it might be actually some banks. I don't know if you maybe didn't know that yourself. I didn't just a couple of weeks ago. I didn't know about this, but some banks actually have like some internet purchase protection in place, so that for example if you're trying to purchase something from the internet, then they actually have like a secure thing that you have to go into the internet mobile bank, basically into your mobile bank app or on your computer, log in into your bank, and you have to actually disable the internet purchase security so that you can actually purchase from the internet. I hope that makes sense. So if that actually is the reason, then you might actually have to contact your bank and they can help you with this, of course. But basically this is how I fix this problem for me.